Hi guys, let's work on number 8 on chapter 14. Yeah, last question on chapter 14, very long chapter. So suppose the chicken industry is in the long run equilibrium at a price of $5 per pound of chicken and a quantity of 100 million pounds per year. Suppose the Surgeon General issue a report saying that eating chicken is bad for your health. Now, um, this is a factor on the demand curve. So if you go back to chapter 4, there are a couple of factors that impact our demand curve. Consumer taste and preference is one. So if your Surgeon General issue report saying eating chicken is bad for you, therefore consumer change our taste and going to buy less chicken. Okay, so let's continue. The Surgeon General's report will cause consumer demand to demand less chicken because we don't want it anymore. In the short run, firm will respond by doing what? So firm will respond by producing same amount of chicken that earn a positive profit. That's wrong. Producing less chicken and running a loss. Maybe. Let's keep going. Producing the same amount of chicken and running a loss. Enter the industry, that's false. Producing more chicken, that's false. Exit the industry. Now this last one over here, that will be in the long run. So in the long run, they'll exit the industry. But in the short run, they're going to stay in the same place. And then we're going to say they're going to produce the same amount of chicken and running a loss. Okay. All right. So shift supply demand curve. So shift the demand or supply curve, or both, following diagram to illustrate this short run effect. So, I'm going to produce less. Yeah, produce less chicken. We're going to shift our demand curve because the Surgeon General statement is the effect on demand curve. So demand curve will shifting to the left. Now when you shift your demand curve to the left, you see how your equilibrium quantity is lowered from 100 to 80. That's why I picked this producing less chicken. So for many companies in this industry, they will still be in the industry, but they're going to produce less chicken. Okay, so in the short run, you're going to produce less chicken, and then your demand curve is shifting to the left. All right, so in the long run, some firm will respond by leaving the market, so exit the industry, until the industry is breaking even. So until each firm is once again making zero profit. So that's what I mean by break even. So we're going to shift the supply demand curve of both to illustrate both the short run effect on Surgeon General report and the new long run equilibrium. So the one we did before, we shift our demand curve to the left. So let's keep the same thing. So demand curve shifting to the left. Now, once some firms exit the market, your supply curve will be shifting to the left too. So decreasing supply. So supply goes to the left. And then you see how over here you change from this point to now at this point. So by company leaving the market, the price go back to $5. And then again, we're making zero profit. Okay. So the new equilibrium price and quantity suggests that the shape of your long run supply curve in the industry, it should be horizontal because you go from this point to this point. Therefore, it's a horizontal in the long run. All right, let's see if we did it right. Quit it now. Yeah, we got it right. 5 out of 5. Yeah, this one's actually not that bad. Okay, so that's how you do number 8 on chapter 14. And if you have any question, guys, let me know. Send me an email. And good luck on the assignment.